everyone, my name's Natalie, and today I'm going to be walking through a little protocol called Chromic. So to sort of open off, what's Chromic? Chromic is like a protocol that enables NFT sentiment plasticity. It sort of acts as an oracle service that connects NFTs to external data sources, and which allows us to sort of facilitate dynamic NFT metadata. So with Chromic, NFTs are able to dynamically self-adjust. So basically, Chromic NFTs are just minted with alternate display states. And we're able to sort of shift to the metadata for these alternate display states contingent on external data parameters. So as an example of this, we could be pulling from the fear and greed index, the Bitcoin price, Twitter sentiment, NFT floor prices. Really, like, the options are limitless. But as an example over here, let's say that we want to give our board 8 different states based on the price of Bitcoin in the past 24 hours. So for example, if Bitcoin was increased by 5%, we could give ourselves laser eyes, because we all know that was a meme that went well. If it's sort of gone flat for the past 24 hours, then it could just be, our normal ape state. And if it's gone down by 5% in the last 24 hours, then we can give our ape a McDonald's hat, because that's where we're going to be working for the next little bit. So in terms of a little roadmap for our project, we're thinking of releasing our own inaugural NFT drop, and afterwards open sourcing the code base to sort of allow other NFT projects to integrate Chromic's infrastructure. So the Chromic NFTs drop consists of initial mint sales, as well as a percent of future transactions and royalties on the OpenSea platform. And it's just going to be around marketing the Chromic NFT Oracle as a service. And Chromic is sort of like a third-party integration. We'll take an upfront initial mint fee, a small percent of future transactions, and of course, we're still acting as a little Oracle as a service. And how does that sort of Chromic as a service is sort of going to work? Is that we're going to require ongoing payments to Chromic, and without these ongoing payments through C channels, the NFT will stop updating. So basically, NFTs minted within the embedded wallet, they're going to be using Charge Protocol. The NFT holder is going to initiate a superfluid stream of payment to Chromic. Chromic will stop pushing metadata updates to these NFTs if the payments are stopped. And if the NFT holder sort of wants to, or the NFT holder, the minter, wants to reinstate the payment stream to resume the updates, then they can. Here's a little demo of what the UI of this could sort of look like. So as we can see, when the price sort of goes up over here, we see that NFT has sort of shifted state. When it's gone down within 5%, it shifts back. And when it's down bad, we see that it has sort of a McDonald's hat on. Yeah, thank you so much for listening to my presentation today. And I hope you like our project. Bye, everyone.